Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you all had a great weekend. And I think most of you have had a great weekend, especially if you're watching these videos, because in this video we'll cover Fetch.Ai, or the FET token, which has been massively bullish, obviously in the last couple of months. I don't know how much we're up in the last 3 months. I think a couple of 100%. We went from around 8 cents to 43 cents now. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, the AI and big data narrative is continuing. Fed was very bullish yesterday, already started with a bullish breakout February the 3rd. I covered it on February and my price target was really at the top, 39 cents. So we went way higher than what I expected. In the end, we found resistance at around 45 cents. I don't think I could have expected that, but perhaps, all right, I was just wrong in my price targets. The whole AI narrative in general in the entire world was just more bullish. Here you can see, for example, I think this news was about 2 days ago. So on Friday, it was an investment of Google, 300 million in artificial intelligence startup Anthropic, which is a competitor to ChatGPT. So there's just in general right now, there's this AI is being pushed, and you can see that a lot of companies are starting to competing against each other in AI. What that usually means is that more and more money will flow into the AI industry. And that's why also cryptos like Fetch.Ai or SingularityNet have been very bullish. And that will definitely continue. Now, whether we are going to drop down a little bit now or not, that remains to be seen. But that AI narrative, I think, is continuing. But that doesn't mean that you should just buy it. I still think that you need to have a good entry. But apart from that AI narrative, I mean, Fetch.Ai, I would definitely recommend you to check out the project. It's a great project. It's active. It's a real project. It adds real value. But there are no updates on that regarding or since Friday. Then we talked a little bit about that. They had a Twitter Spaces session with the Subquery team, which I think is pretty interesting. I also covered Subquery. I think it's a great new project coming out somewhere in probably 2023. But we're straying off the we're straying off the point. Let's take a look at Fetch.Ai a little bit more on the technical side. You can see right now that most of the volume is coming from credible sources as well. It's really a market move. It's really legit. So the thing right now is we want to obviously get to this price target right here between 50 cents and 54 cents. Huge psychological resistance level, and that's really the place to be, and also the place to break, but we need to get there first. So what we did initially is with this initial FIB, we actually had a bearish breakout, because you can see that we broke down below the 236 FIB. And below 43 cents. That's the price level around that. So therefore, I think it's the most likely scenario that we will have some bearish momentum first. As I said, I think the AI and big data narrative will continue, but it seems like we're dropping a little bit more from here. 45 cents is also a significant resistance level in the end. So I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to this level here at 40 and 39 cents, find some support there. And I also think it's more likely that we'll drop down to this level more around 36 and 37.5 cents. And from there, I think we can consolidate and start to move up at some point when the narrative sparks up again, or if we get bullish momentum from the markets. I think this is the most likely scenario, so that eventually we'll drop down all the way to 37.5 and 36 cents. But I have to be honest with you, this AI narrative is quite unpredictable at certain points. And just in general, the main thing we want to do is we want to break above, let's say, 44 cents. The moment we break above 44 cents, we'll get up to 50 and 54, that level. And this move could essentially also still happen in the next 24 hours. Even though this is a bearish confirmation, we could still break above that. This AI narrative is very explosive and quite unpredictable. It's really about news like this that it starts up again. And you have to identify that early and know what it means for the price. And this, for example, could also happen after dropping down to 40 cents. So it's quite hard. I think we'll drop down all the way to 38 and 36 cents, that level kind of in the middle. But it's, yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. All right, let's keep it at that. But that's my take on FET and Fetch.Ai for today. If we do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care, enjoy your day, and bye.